A reducing elbow is used to deflect water flow rate of 30 kg per second in a horizontal pipe upward.